For 160 years now, the Royal Agricultural Society of Victoria has been helping to improve quality, innovation and excellence in agriculture through competition and awards programs.
Well, basically we're looking for uniformity in the first place. The group of 10 have to be like peas in a pod.
This year we had 36 entries into the competition with a total prize pool of $4,500. That's $3,000 for first and $1,500 for second place.
Well, I think the standards have actually been quite good across the line. There's been some really excellent cattle presented. Overall, I think the standards been very good.
The exhibitors have really, provided the feedback that the competition still remains very relevant to them. Provides an opportunity for them to showcase their female lines along with their male lines here, and it just really sets it out away from a royal competition where you've got to prepare that one animal. Instead they get to show the commercial traits of the competition.
We find many breeders now are really only worrying about the bulls that they're selling, but without good females in the background of the herd, they're not going to produce those good bulls to go out into the commercial situations or into other studs. And by having a competition like this heifer challenge is one that forces people, if you like, into focusing on their female side of their herd.
34 farms visited, 340 heifers judged and over 4,000 kilometres travelled.
I've entered the Heifer Challenge this year because I find it's a really unique opportunity to have pen of heifers independently assessed by a respected judge.
We wanted to benchmark, ascertain whether you're improving, staying the same or getting worse. The competition in this is really high.
To be independently assessed as having the best pen of 10 heifers against other breeds would be just an enormous achievement and such an honour.
I think if you want it, you can say you're up there with the best.
The Melbourne show gives an opportunity to showcase your animals against some of the most respected studs. It's also a really great networking opportunity amongst like-minded farmers.
As important as the bulls are, the mothers carry the herd.